All right, so anyway, I'm putting everything away and I just shot like 15 minutes of video. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this card out. So what I do is I kind of push it in and pull it out and bam, now I can go ahead and download this and check out our video that we shot from our drone today. Yes, sir, Bob. That's what we're gonna do. All right, let's go ahead and get it ready. All right, so anyway, I've got one of these micro SD cards, and this is 64 gigabyte, and whoops. And so I've got to set it inside of this little card holder here. And I'm just going to push it in like that, cha-ching. And then what we got to do is we got to put it on into our computer. So I'm just going to go ahead and stick it in the card slot back here. Right there is where it goes. It's always a pain in the butt to get it in there. There we go. And you want to make sure that you put the right side in so that the face of it's up and the face of this is up. So that goes right in the card slot. Make sure you got it in good. And then once you do that, it should read it over here. No name is what the name is. But first I'm loading the stuff off my iPhone, and then we'll load the stuff off of that no name card. All right, so anyway, I just click on no name, and then I come and highlight this. And then I just come over here and I'm just going to go ahead and import that 15 minutes of video. And bam. It should be in here somewhere. Yeah, I think there it is. There it's loading. All right, we just got to let it load and then we'll edit the snot out of this bad boy. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos on how to do stuff. Peace out. All right, so that's cool. Let's go this way. Let's go this way.